it's Michelle from Scrap Secrets, and here's a little organizational video. And I know that probably seems kind of ironic because if you look behind me, completely not organized. I know. The rest of my craft room isn't organized, the rest of my house isn't organized, but I'm working on it. So I wanted to show you some of the things that I've been doing. The first thing is my clear stamps. I had a ton of them and they were lying all around, all over the place, and I couldn't find anything. So I had divided them out into little shoebox photo albums before that you can get for like $5 or $10 at AC Moore or Michaels or Joann's, I think even has them as well. So I had them in that, and I had them stored in my closet, but there were some categories that were just overflowing. And then I realized I didn't use it as much by category as I did by brand, because now I'm going to start doing some challenges, and like especially the My Favorite Things challenge, and you need to use their stamps to get an extra $5 if you get picked. And I really wanted to do that, so I decided to organize my stamps by manufacturer. So that stuff is still downstairs because it's a work in progress. I still have one huge box, like moving box, that I have to go through, and there are some stamps in there. But what I did was organize it by manufacturer. And when I was organizing, I realized I have so many stamps that I've never used, not even one little sentiment or image in the stamp set. So I'm thinking about doing another series, maybe a use your stamps or something similar to that, where I just take one of the baskets and I go from front to back, and any stamp set that I've never used before, I take it out and use it on a card, on a scrapbook layout, on some kind of project. So that's definitely one of my goals because I have so much stuff that I've never used, and some of it is so cute. I went through it again and I'm thinking, why haven't I used this? So that's definitely something that I want to do. So that's number one of my organizing activities. Number two was, now that I took my stamps and did that, I have these two huge racks in my room, and I will show you, that were empty. So these are spinners, and I have the base to this, and they were completely empty. So I needed something to do with them. So I went through my drawers, and I found that I had a lot of these gemstones and little stickers and things like that that I never use, because they're hidden in my drawer somewhere, and if they're not in front of my face, and I'm not specifically looking for them for a project, I won't go through my drawers and find them. So I figured bringing them out and putting them on those spinner racks, I'll try to use them. Hopefully I'll be able to use them. I think I'm going to put a little bit of washi tape in the basket there, so I'm challenged to use the washi tape a little bit more. So that's my plan. I have all of these that need to get hung. I actually have some in a 3-ring binder in page protectors that I need to take out and put the little clips on and hang them up. So that's kind of my plan for today for my organizing. The third thing is stencils. I love stencils. I have the smaller ones, I have the 6x6 ones, I also have the 12x12 ones. Love them. Love creating backgrounds with them, backgrounds for cards, backgrounds for scrapbook layouts. I've done so much with them. Problem is, I store them in a little cubby in my desk. And if you've seen the video of that, it's just like a little slot on the side. It's actually vertical dividers in the little cube. So I have them kind of stuck in there. And I went to pull them out, and they keep getting stuck on each other because they weren't all in packages, and I would just kind of shove them back in there. I didn't take really good care of placing them back into where they belong or placing them into the packaging that they came in. So what I decided to do was something a little bit different. You guys might have seen this in other people's videos. I might have gotten it from Jennifer McGuire, I'm not positive, but a jump ring. Put the stencils all back in their original packaging and put it on a jump ring. So I did the same thing. I organized them by manufacturer, and I have a lot of Simon Says Stamp and Heidi Swap. I have some Crafters Workshop, one Tim Holtz. This one is Ditto, which was a line that was out at Michael's. I don't know if it's like actually Michael. It's Hampton Arts one, and there's 5 or 6 different stencils in there. And then I have the Prima ones that I got from Hobby Lobby when they were on clearance. So these are the smaller ones. I do have some 12x12s. I haven't organized them yet. What I think I'm going to do is maybe put some nails in the wall of my closet and then just hang them from that so that they're in there. So that's how I plan on organizing my stuff. So that's just a couple of things that I've been working on recently. And you haven't seen me make videos. I told you there's a bunch of reasons that I'm redoing my house. If you guys have seen previous videos, my light that's on my ceiling fan, I pulled the chain off of it, so that doesn't work, because if I shut that light switch off, it shuts off everything in the room, so that's not good. So I wouldn't be able to work with that. So couldn't exactly do that. So getting new ceiling fans, I'm taking down the track lighting and, well, not me, but we're taking down the track lighting and putting in the hi-hats. So there's a lot of renovation going on in the house. I just got the new desk and the hutch and the credenza. So that's a work in progress to start organizing that. And I'm working on organizing everything in the craft room. And also, I have 2 baby newborn nieces who are still in the NICU and will be there for a little while. I'm actually going to see them in like half an hour, so I'm super excited. But there's just a lot that's been going on lately, and that's why you haven't seen a lot of videos. I'm going to try this afternoon to work on a Sketch Sunday video so that I can upload it for you guys tomorrow. So hopefully I will get that done. It'll probably be the My Favorite Things blog challenge. That will probably be the sketch that I use, just because that's the easiest thing to do, and I want to start entering their contests. So I think that's probably what I will do. So thank you guys again so much for watching, and for the great comments and the subscriptions and the thumbs up. I love it. I love hearing from you guys. I love hearing what you would like me to do. I know that I promised somebody that there's still a Canvas video coming. I promise that it will be here in the next couple weeks. I'm going to be traveling for work, so it probably won't be too soon, but hopefully by the end of the month I will have something up and done for you. I do listen to all your comments and your messages to me, and I love hearing that, and I love to hear what you guys want to see from me. So thank you guys again so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!